Hey everyone, let's talk about the sort function. The sort function is a pretty easy function to rearrange data in orders based on one or multiple columns. We have a table of student with age and score. Now let's sort the table and list from high score to low score. Let's type sort, then we select the whole range of data you want to list out. Then we select the column that we want to sort. It will be the third column, which is score. We want descending order, so here we put fourth. Now we have a table from high to low score. If we want to sort it from low to high score, we change this to true. We can sort multiple columns as well. Let's sort the score from high to low, then sort the age column from high to low as well. So here we have the table sort in score, then age. We can use sort with the unique formula. For example, this product list has a duplicate entry. We can use the unique function to exclude the duplicates, which is the P003. Then we can sort the price in this result from unique. We add sort to nest the unique formula. And the column to sort will be the second column, which is the price. So here we go. Alright, so this is the sort function.